all of our...
No, you remember what happened in the movie. In the movie, they were turning like crazy.
I know.
Мы были в большом монастыре, а тут мы были, в этом маленьком мы тут не были. Мы тут не были ни разу.
When are we arriving home?
We were in the big monastic.
Не, мы были.
I can wobble the screen. John, I can wobble the screen next. See?
А это что, военный монастырь? Это военные тут ходят, да?
Sure.
You know, go pool there?
No, me go pool big.
Military monastery.
No go church.
Military. It's
Church. No, 1 o'clock. Every day she come 5. With afternoon she fee swim. She teach children how swim.
because I left 4 o'clock.
Wanna go?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Sure, yes, please.
We only have 1 hour before our teacher comes. We have a teacher and she always comes at 5, but now it's 4, so we only have an hour.
So we wanna go to the church?
No, we go
No.
pool home.
No?
We're gonna swim in the pool at home, then later when our teacher comes, we're gonna...
No, we don't have any floaties.
We do, remember you said there's a popsicle.
No, but we have to ask Kaya to bring them from the shed.
Yeah, we're gonna ask him.
We have to call Poppy to ask him.
To go
No,
to the
we'll...
church?
Because Poppy only
Let's not
wants
go to the churchy.
to the teacher what?
To the churchy.
Let's
Johnny.
go back to Farhata.
Kafarhata. Like kafarhata. Look, if I do this, the screen wobbles.
No, I already know.
How?
Because the window's too